myself dreaming, silver and gold, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We were walking on moonlight, and you pulled me close. Split second and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. Woke up and see you by my side, with the belief, and I realized, no, no, I was all alone. Woke up and see you by my side, with the belief, and I realized, no, no promise tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you, yes, I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you, like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause I'll never know it when I wanna decide. So I'm gonna love you, like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you, like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you, like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you, like I'm gonna lose you.
That first beat is right on top.
In the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is you never know. So I'll kiss you longer, babe. It is just how I can. I'll make the most of the minutes and long and go regret. Let's take our time, stay